Hey doing? You might be wondering, what are you recording for? This makes no sense. It's just a blank piece of paper. Well, I am recording for a reason. It's not about the pen. Okay. I just woke up. Want to do a video. Yeah. I don't know where to sit because my couch is messy. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to draw I'll show you what I've mostly been drawing these years in the beginning. So, in the beginning, I'm really good at this. And here is another one. It's a candy symbol right there. This is my friend Ellie. She likes candy. So I'm looking at candy. It's my brother, of course. Don't mind that. There. Okay, this is a wolf going after a bird to make chicken. By the way, this is a rock. I just didn't have enough time to color it in. I don't want to show you this one though. I'll just color. Okay, you can see me going to do things. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Don't know. So, and here I made this guy. I can make him better. It's just I didn't have enough time at school to make him, because I started making him at the end of the school, like when it was like time to go, and like yeah. Yeah. I was gonna show you guys. I will dare, don't do a drug. I forgot to add yes. Or be an addict. Here. Okay, I'm gonna show you a story. It might take a little time, but who cares? Okay. Where is it? Okay, so okay, they're my kids. They're both teenagers. They're both 13. So, my children, things happened. They broke up. She didn't marry him. That's for something he didn't have to do. And sorry for the tip. I couldn't finish. I'm sorry. I was supposed to cut it off, but I didn't have enough time. And this is him right now, thinking what just happened, how to go so quickly and stuff. It's like I'm very confused of what happened. I don't know what I did here, but I totally failed. This is a one that got broken up. Chasing after that badly drawn deer. Bad drawing deers. Okay, guys. So man is going after deer and stuff. Yes, I kind of drew. My friend helped me make it. I made the hat right there in this bird thing. I like that. This is my friend Sarah. She likes unicorns, so I did that for her. Guys, I cannot draw horses, as you can see. My friend Candy, she tried to draw, I think that's a wolf. Yeah, it might be a wolf. hope we're finish it. She was missing. We didn't have enough time, so she didn't want to do it anyway. I think I can draw that, but you know, this I drew because that's Elena. Her dad. This is Elena's dad being annoyed by Elena and stuff. This is what we get annoyed by Elena doing. So my friend drew, I believe I can draw that. Then I drew this. So let's start to get drawing. Stuff. Just gotta find it. And there we go. So guys, if you can find a picture, you can tell me to draw it. I don't care if it's sitting or big, small. I don't really care. I have a drawing, but I'll show you how to draw a wolf's head right now. Okay. First thing you want to do is make the ear, because that's the hardest. Right, want to make it go a little slanted. Now like this, in a straight line. Curve a little down. You have to make 2 ears, so yeah. It's the end of my school year, so you can tell me to draw wolves anytime you want me to. Take your advice. I'll tell who told me to draw this wolf and stuff. I don't care if you want to color this in, like, I don't really care. I'm just teaching you how. Good triangle in his ear. Got that in pink, I color it back. To draw a wolf, you're gonna need a lot of quietness, so I say do this in a quiet place so you don't get disturbed. Now all of that color you want. And there you go. If you're growing, you can add those things, which I am. There. And then go. You might get this if you might not. Throw down the picture because it's not a pencil with your own hand. And yeah, guys, so it's 9:45 out. Peace. find any wolf on the internet, you just tell me where to go, and I'll find it, and I'll save it. Okay, bye.